Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to move objects. So for example, I will insert objects. You can go into these tools and then I will choose the rectangle drawing tools. Okay, you can draw in it the rectangle. I will create again another object in the new layer. I will create the circle object in this point. Now, if you want to move this rectangle object, you can select the rectangle layer and then choose the transform tools. You can move by click in the object, hold, and then you can move into another area. If you're done, you can click this check button. I will move again this circle object. You can select the circle layer and then use transform tools. I will move into here and then click check icons to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to move objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.